Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This is my husband's soap, but I use it.
I love this soap because it is mild and it cleans well. I can use it on my face, and I have sensitive skin, so it doesn't really affect my skin in a negative way. It actually does quite the opposite. It's also good just to freshen up. Maybe you don't have time for a full shower, but this really makes it a quick thing, but it actually works well, so you won't be stinking if you can't get to the shower or the bath. But if you can get to the shower or the bath, this works super well. You can see that it gets really sudsy. It makes you feel really clean. I also really like that the bar stays intact for a long time, so it's not a lot wasted. It does not dissolve easily, and it's really good for also washing your hands. So we do keep one in the bathroom with the shower and one in the bathroom downstairs for us to wash our hands. The kids love it too. Awesome.
So if you're a man looking for some natural scents, some woodsy nature outdoor scents, I would highly recommend this soap. And if you are a woman who likes smelling good too, I would highly recommend this soap as well. It leaves you smelling really nice and fresh, but for women, it doesn't make you smell like a man. It just is really a nice neutral scent. So I would definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.